everybody. I think I'm on day 22 or 23, somewhere like that. I'll know when I check my thing, but I'm using push-up stands. You can buy these at Myers. You can buy these online. Basically, just helps you get more of a grip when you're doing your push-ups. I mean, you can offset them, you know, to do a push-up like this. You can put them in the middle. You don't want to do that, I guess. So maybe like this. So you got more of a bring them wide, do a wide push-up. I mean, there's different variables of different ways you can do push-ups. But anyways, I'll get my 25 on. And you let me know. How you're doing and how things are going for you. I hope that you're staying safe and the quarantine life is not too horrible. Got to take it a day at a time and look at the positive things. Positive things are still breathing every morning when you wake up. The sun is still shining outside. If you're watching this, you got a phone, you're paying your bills. Because obviously if you have a phone, then you're paying your bills. Because you won't pay your bills and just keep your phone on. You're walking, talking, and breathing. You know, so if anybody needs any prayer for anything at all, leave it in the comments, man. I'm a believer in God, big time. He's gotten me out of so many things. I believe in the power of prayer. And so, if you have any, just leave them. I'll pray for you. I'll put a prayer up for you. And, yeah, just trust in God, man. That's how I'm getting through everything. Every day I give praise and thanks to God for keeping me. Because, you know, He's the maker and creator of everything. So, but anyways, I'm going to get these 25 push-ups going. We're at 19. And that'd be 25. Whew. Let me tell you, 25 pushes is a lot. Especially when you're working out every day and you're working out your arms. But you wanna know what? No excuses, I'm getting it done. So stay tuned. I'll have a workout on later, and if anybody needs any help out there with their health and fitness, I have plenty of stuff and solutions that we can get you going on. So anyways, take care. God bless.